I've dreamt about this car since I could dream about getting behind the wheel. All I knew was that this is the car that I'd always wanted to drive. You get that speed, that feeling of, you know, the potential of losing control. It's this exhilarating feeling of knowing that you have control, but also knowing that you could easily lose control. That adrenaline rush that you get. I mean, that's something that very few things in life can give you. The closest thing I can describe it to is when you're at an amusement park and you know that you could easily get scared if you go on the right ride and you push it just to that extreme limit. If you can get to the point where you can scare yourself almost, that's when it gets exciting. That's when it gets fun. But at the same time, it's in your hands, and that makes it even more fun. This is something that you can control, knowing very well that you've got a lot of power at your feet, a lot of power in your hands. Every single time I put it in sport mode, I know that I can do whatever I want on the road, within reason, of course. But there's always that voice in the back of your head saying, you know, you can go a little faster. You know, you can push it just a little bit more. You know, you can make that turn just a little bit faster. And knowing that I can do it is just as fun as, almost just as fun as actually doing it.